Good morning, New York. It's 9:05 a.m. ET, and good afternoon, London. Just having a quick look here at the news. We had core retail sales at 8:30 a.m. and in 10 minutes we've got industrial production. Nothing that's going to affect us really with the open. We can see here, just studying the daily, that we are pulling back down. Still in a strong uptrend on the daily. It could be a higher time frame pullback. But at the moment we're still representing this upwards movement, and we could look at a nice buy as it's kind of coming down for this session. We could get a nice buy there. Okay, 30-minute time frame. Okay, it's coming down towards the. If you just look at it on the 50, get this up. 50 here. Okay, pulling back to the bottom of the river here on the 50. This is a very strong area of demand for us. Okay, and even where we are now is another strong area of demand. So we're going to see what happens at the open in 25 minutes. Okay, but it could be gearing up for a nice buy at some point in this area, because we are in an uptrend. If we look at the 30-minute here, this is the angle of attack that we're on at the moment. So exactly lining up. If it was to come back to this area here, we get a really nice buy on the 30-minute. So I'm pretty excited for today's session, to be honest. Something like that. Okay, if we go to the 10-minute, a bit closer up, we see that this is the area we're looking at on the 30-minute, which is 33,700. Okay, so we're sitting here at 33,700 through this area here, and it's something that I'm going to be eyeing. It definitely could come all the way back down, at least into this zone, and then I'll be looking to take a nice buy and actually hang on to that buy for a little bit, at least through this area here. So looking at that kind of action there, with the 3 to 4 ATR stop loss. And then on the 1 minute, we can see here on the 400, right, a very wavy price action at the moment, but definitely, it could definitely reach, through to this area here. This is where the demand is. This is the zone where all the orders are. So really happy to put the automation on in this area here, in this zone here, anywhere between 33,700. This zone here is what I'm looking at. So that's this morning. We have had major news. It still is in an uptrend. Okay, we did have this big push to the downside the other session, but we ended up coming back up at the end of the session. So I'm being wary of this, pretty crazy price action that we're having at the moment. But if all goes to plan, we should have a pretty nice long trade after maybe 10:30 a.m. or lunchtime. So I'm looking at that. All right, thanks so much, guys. Have a beautiful morning. I'm going to be trading with you, and look forward to seeing you in the group call tomorrow.